$600. If this is your budget to build a gaming PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show the best PC components that you should consider buying for your next 600 PC build. Let's get started. Now for the processor, we have chosen the Intel Core i3-12100F. This one costs around $110. Now with that price, it's an ultimate budget gaming processor. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the Gigabyte H610M. This one costs only $89. And with that price, you are going to get a latest H610M motherboard, 2 RAM slot, PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD support, all the ports that you need, and everything for only under $90. Now comes the main components of a gaming PC, the graphics card. And here we are using the XFX RX 6600. This one costs around only $249. Now this is an ultimate budget graphics card currently on the market. With this graphics card, you can basically play any modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings with more than 60 to 70 plus FPS easily. And also you can try 1440p gaming with this graphics card. Then for the RAM, we are using the Teamgroup T-Force Vulcan Z 16GB RAM. This one costs around $43. Now as you can tell by the reviews, this one has nearly 12,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon. These RAMs are one of the cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy, which comes with lifetime warranty, so an excellent deal. And for the SSD, we are using the Western Digital 500GB PCIe Gen for SSD. Now for only under $55, you are going to get a PCIe Gen for SSD, which is an up to 4000 Mbps read rate speed. And as you can tell by the reviews, this one has nearly 3000 plus 4.8 star reviews on Amazon. So this SSD is an ultimate powerful SSD within a budget, an excellent deal. Then for the power supply, we are using the Thermaltake Tough Power 80 plus Gold certified 600 watt power supply. This one costs around $65. Now reason for choosing this power supply is this one is a gold certified power supply which costs only $65. But only downside of this power supply is it's a non-modular power supply. And finally for the casing, I recommend you whichever you like, whichever fits your budget, and all those components will cost you around $615. Thanks for watching.